Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Orga from Godzilla. So to start off with Orga, we're going to begin with his face, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just goes up like this at an angle. Then starting right here, I'm just going to curve it down and up for his eye. Then starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve up, and that's just going to kind of curve around back here like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line just kind of curves down and up, and then it's just going to kind of curve around back here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then kind of run right into that line as well. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's just going to go up and down and then up again. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's just going to go down at an angle, over, and then up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and up, down again, and then I'm just going to curve it back here like this, and up and over. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up like this. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line to here. And then starting here, I'm just going to bring this line down and let it connect to there. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's just going to sweep up, make a big bump, and then kind of come down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then come up, and then down like this for another bump. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then go over, and then it's just going to kind of curve around like this. Kind of like a little shell that he has on his back. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, go over, and then up right here for the top of his arm. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, curves over and down, and then comes back up like this. Now for his hand. His hand is really, really big, and his knuckles kind of drag on the ground. So first we're going to draw his hand, then we're going to add his fingers. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to go in a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Go down, and then in a little bit. Then I'm just going to curve a line that goes up and down, and then up and down right here. Now for his first finger, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then I'm going to go right here, curve around, down, and then I'm just going to kind of come back up. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve down like this. Then curve around, and then just kind of come back up and meet right there. Then I'm just going to add a line that goes up and down for a claw, and then up and down right here for a claw. Now for his thumb, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then down, curve around and up. And then I'm just going to make a little claw that's going to go right into that claw. Now starting here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve down and then come in and go down to here. And now for his leg. So starting here, I'm going to make a line. It's just going to go out and then kind of curve back like this for his knee. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to curve into here. Now for his foot. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to go down at an angle, and then straight over like this. Then right here, I'm just going to curve out and then over. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, over, and then kind of curves in. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves out and comes back. Now for his other arm. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and go in like this for the top of his arm. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then up for the middle part of his arm. Now for here, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to kind of curve up like this, and then come back around here. Kind of like a little armor plating on top of his hand. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then kind of come down. It's going to curve back like this for one of his fingers. Then I'm going to curve around here, go in, and then out, and then up right here. Then right here, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of curves like this for another finger. Now for his claws, I'm just going to draw a long claw like this, and then another one right here. And then I'm just going to put a small one right there. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to be kind of wavy, like this, and then I'm just going to bring it up here. And then for his other leg, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and up. And then a line here just goes down and out a little bit and up. And then for this foot, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, goes down like this, and comes back up for a claw. Then I'm going to draw one right here that just goes down, kind of curves, and comes back up. And then I'm going to make one right here that goes down, kind of curves around, and then back up. And then I'll add a little curved line on each of these for the toes. Now for the tail. So the tail's a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then curves down like this, and then curves down one more time and comes back. It's kind of like there's 3 different points on there. So then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, kind of curves down again, and then comes in. Then I'll do that one more time here. They're getting a little bit smaller as I go down. And then I'll do it one more time. And then for his tail, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, down, out, and then out and in one more time. And there you go. There is your basic drawing of Orga from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward this real quick and start adding all of the different details on here. Okay, there you go. There is your drawing of Orga with all of the details in it. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.